of Canada. We celebrated Canada Day a few days ago, but the beauty of Canada is no matter where we come from, we are United Canadians, we learn from each other. And today, before there was one pavilion, and I've been told 242 culture is in Brampton. And this is our greatest strength. Diversity is our strength, and we have to keep up the good work. And as a Canadian citizen, and this is a Karabaram, when we are learning from each other's culture through food, through dance, and this is a perfect example of a Nepali Karabaram. So congratulations, and I brought Prime Minister's message too. Now it's gonna be a long speech. Prime Minister sent a big message today. So now I'm going to read it. I'm pleased to extend my warm greetings to everyone attending Karabaram Brampton's cherished multicultural festival. Over the past 44 years, Karabaram has welcomed hundreds of thousands of visitors and become one of the most celebrated events on Brampton's cultural calendar. Bringing together a rich tapestry of communities, the festival continues to showcase the diversity that makes Brampton and Canada so vibrant through music, dance, food, art, and storytelling. Karabaram highlights the tradition, heritage, and contribution of the many communities that call Brampton home. Canada's strength lies in its diversity, and events like Karabaram provide an opportunity to celebrate the many cultures, tradition, and perspective that enrich our communities and strengthen our national fabric by bringing people together in a spirit of friendship and inclusion. The festival helps build stronger connections across culture and generations. I would like to commend the organizers, volunteers, performers, and community partners whose hard work and commitment makes this event possible. Please accept my best wishes for a memorable event, Right Honorable Prime Minister Mark Carney. So this is the message from our Prime Minister. So, but on my behalf, congratulations, and now House is rise, and I'm in the office. Any issues or any feedback is very, very important, and your emails. So I'm happy to receive any feedback. Thank you so much for including me.
आजभन्दा करिब 30-32 वर्ष पहिला स्थापना भएको एनसिएनसीले गर्ने केही सिग्निफिकेन्ट प्रोग्राम अन्तर्गत एउटा कार्यक्रम पनि हो र यसमा नेपाली कला र संस्कृतिको सङ्गमका रूपमा यसलाई लिएको छ। विशेष गरी गत साल जनजाति र नेवाकोठी प्लस एनसिएनसीको संयुक्त आयोजनामा प्रोग्राम हुन्थ्यो। यो पटक चाहिँ एनसिएनसीले मात्र गरेको छ। मलाई लाग्छ केही असमझदारी भए त्यसलाई हामी सबै बसेर ढुङ्ग्यौँ र अर्को पटक यो प्रोग्रामलाई फेरि पनि आदिवासी र नेवाकोठी सहित एनसिएनसी सबै मिलेर प्रोग्राम गरौँ भन्न चाहन्छु। त्यो सँगसँगै यहाँहरू सबैलाई थाहा छ यति पुरानो अर्गनाइजेसन छ तर हामीले आफ्नो एउटा भवन बनाउन सकेका छैनौँ। त्यसैले गर्दा यसको परिकल्पना हामीले गरेका छौँ। यहाँहरू सबैले सहयोग गर्नुहुनेछ भन्ने विश्वास छ। त्यसले गर्दा त्यो हाम्रो के भन्छ परिकल्पना गरिएको बिल्डिङ सम्पन्न गर्नका निम्ति भोलिदेखि सुरु भएका कार्यक्रमहरूमा यहाँहरूको सक्रिय सहभागिताको अपेक्षा राख्दछु भन्दै यो प्रोग्रामको सफलताको शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दै यो अवसर दिनुभएकोमा आयोजकप्रति धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्दै बिदा हुन्छु। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।
Hey,